Alright, I'm going to try to walk through this question using SQL because I need to practice my SQL skills. I mean, I only really know the basics, select, from, where, and that's about it. But I would like to use SQL on more practical things, and I figure these kind of word problems are a good start. So this question asks, find the review text that received the highest number of cool votes. Output the business name along with the review text with the highest number of cool votes. So typically what I do is, actually I use Python most of the time, but right now I'm using PostgreSQL. And I think the difference between MySQL and PostgreSQL is that the Postgre has like more flexibility or more functionalities, whereas MySQL is purely, I guess it mostly deals in relational databases. So I'm just gonna use Postgre and hope to have it kind of act as a one-size-fits-all type of thing. So typically what I do is I preview whatever they give me. So it looks like right now they only gave me one table. So it has a headers, or like the column headers, and then the data types for the data contents under the headers. So these are just strings, date, time, string, and integers. If I click preview, it'll give me a quick little sneak peek of what the table looks like. So this is what it looks like. User ID, review ID, stars, review date, review text, funny, useful, and cool. Okay, so based on the question, we really don't care for funny, we don't care for useful. We're going to need to focus on this column and review text. I believe that's all we need. Find the review text that received the highest number of cool votes. Output the business name. Okay, so we're going to need review text column, cool column, as well as business name column. And everything else can just go. So this is the line they gave me to start with. So I'll just output this. Oh, okay, it's the same thing. Select everything from Yelp review. So that is a table. We're going to filter it where, and the column name is called cool, where cool is equal to or I'm going to say larger than 1 because I don't know how to write equals or equal or bigger than. Let me try this. Equal to or larger than 1. Let me try if that works. No. I don't know how to write this. Bigger than or equal to. Okay, no. You know what? We're just going to do larger than 0. Background on this error. Alright. I think I end the arguments with the semicolon, right? Okay, that worked. These are 1s and 2s. Perfect. Alright. So now that we've got it filtered to cool, find the review text that receives the highest number. Review text. Let's see if there are duplicates of these review texts. Perhaps they have review ID. Yes, let me do shoot. I know that in Python I can do unique function to find the unique ones off of a column value, where and oh dear, I don't know how to do this. Where cool is higher than 0. Should I give this an alias? Yelp reviews, YR, where cool is 0. And statement, review ID. We're gonna Google how to find unique values SQL. Select distinct. Distinct. That's right. Select distinct from. Okay, we're just gonna do it like this. I'm gonna put this as a note. So we're gonna say select distinct from column cool. I'm not sure if these need to be in quotations. This column and the review ID from this table name, Yelp review, which we will call YR. Okay, so we've got select the distinct ones from both columns from this table where cool is rated as 0 or higher. I mean, higher than 0. Well, let's try. Let's not give an alias. It's unnecessary. We're not joining on anything from. Does a table need to be in quotation? Let's just take cool out for now. Just look at distinct review IDs. Line 3 from Yelp. Line 3, syntax. Near from. Oh, do I need a comma? I don't understand. Paste it into Google. Programming time error, runtime error. Size. But this is for SQL Alchemy. This is to connect Python and SQL. So that's not the issue. Give me hints. Use subquery to find the highest. Select. Let's do this. Let's just select everything from this table where cool is over 0. Select from Yelp reviews. Select, I got a comma after select everything. Cute, okay. Now it's saying use a subquery to find the highest number. Okay, we're gonna look that up. Query and subquery. Postgre example, that's right. Let's just copy someone else's. Select average from. This is selecting specific columns. And also saying that if the average is higher than the score. Ooh, dear, this is fancy. Okay. Well, I think I need to copy this one because the final table or the output should not include every single column. They don't care about that. They need select. Okay, what are the columns we need? We need the review text. We need the business name. Okay, so business name. Business name, review text. That's the second column we need. The third column is cool. We're going to aggregate the cool column. Be from Yelp reviews. Where cool. I'm so lazy. I just copy paste. Where cool is this might be too fancy, so we're just gonna take everything out. Where cool is higher than 0. That might work. So instead of, I guess the only thing that I changed was the asterisk now has specific column headers that we're gonna need. Go ahead, run. Okay, good. We have business name, review text, cool. Okay, and they're all above 1. Now it's saying you need to use a subquery to find the highest cool rates using the max function. Where where do I need to do it and? I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Oh dear, these look too fancy. Let me look at max subquery and look at how others have wrote their subquery. Subquery SQL, there we go. How to use a max function on a subquery. They have select everything from, not that one. Select from count. So after the column, you can say, they just renamed this as a new thing because they were counting this original column and they renamed it as membership count. Not this one. Select max primary key name from. Select blah 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 from table name where and. Okay, so let's just use this template. This looks good. This one has an alias. Okay, so let's give that a try. Select, we have that from table where cool and, okay, so cool is higher than 0 and round bracket select max on cool. Do I need to specify that's a primary key name from table name, which is Yelp reviews. do that. I think I need a semicolon to end the script. And select. Okay, let's get a SQL beautifier. SQL beautifier. I bet I'm missing commas. What does it say? Syntax error. Near primary. Do I not need to specify primary key and just say cool? Line 12 and select from I don't know if capitalization matters. Might not. Okay. Let's go with generic format. Oh, cute. Okay. Doesn't look all that different than what I had. Well, let's copy paste this back. So I guess this is a query, this is a subquery issue on my end then. Select max on cool. Now, comment this out, comment this out. I might not even need to specify where or from because I've already said from here where it's this condition in this condition. Let's run this with that that row out. Okay, so it looks so good. It looks good thus far. Now that I'm trying to do the max calculation. Yep. So let's try the other syntax. Select everything from where ID equals max. Select everything from where ID equals, where cool equals. And then we'll say and max equals cool. Max equals ID. Where ID equals, where column equals the column name. Selects from info. Where ID equals select. Where, okay, you know what? Let's try to not test my short-term memory. We already know it's not good. Just fill it in. That's not how you make comments. There we go. Select these columns from this table where this column equals, well, the first condition is over 0 and, okay, and where gotta specify the column name again, equals select max column name from table name. Goodness. From table name. close brackets. Let's give that a try. Semicolon, try. Okay, we're gonna look at the discussions. They did, if cool, they said select these columns from this table where cool. Oh, I guess I didn't need to query for over 0 because we're just gonna go for the max. Okay, we're just gonna follow them. Select max cool column from this table. And they didn't have a semicolon to finish. Ha, line 11. Where select. Open bracket, close bracket from. This bracket is associated with this bracket. This bracket is with this bracket. I don't understand. Select. Select. Where I need to specify the column equals. Here we go, and then these conditions to follow. So, okay, we've got this business name, their associated text, and then their, okay. So I guess 10 is the highest value for cool. Now, let's go back here and see their expected output. Wonderful, except they don't need the cool column. I will go ahead and omit that. And run code. Oh no. Oh, it's because this does not require a comma. Good. Business name, review text. Okay, I don't need to rename headers. Contents are the same, and check solution. All right, that is that.